Keeping your dishes spotless can be challenging when dealing with mineral buildup from hard water. The best dishwasher for hard water is designed to fight stains, prevent lime stain, and deliver sparkling clean results, making dishwashing effortless and efficient every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. NOVETE Hard Water Dishwasher. The NOVETE Hard Water Dishwasher is a compact yet highly capable appliance designed to deliver efficiency and versatility, especially for small households or limited kitchen spaces. Measuring just 16.9 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches, it is portable and perfectly suited for apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats, yet it doesn't compromise on capacity. For baby care or health-conscious users, the Baby Care Heavy mode is particularly beneficial as it heats water up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize baby bottles, oily cookware, and glassware thoroughly. In addition to its cleaning power, this model doubles as a dryer and storage cabinet thanks to its 3-in-1 functionality. After each cycle, it automatically enters a 60-minute hot air drying phase, followed by 72 hours of ventilation, ensuring dishes remain dry, odor-free, and ready to use at any time. The dishwasher also includes a fruit cleaning basket, broadening its usability beyond just dishwashing. Its upper and lower spray arms provide powerful, streak-free cleaning, while the storage rack and cutlery basket make organizing small items effortless. Designed with convenience in mind, it eliminates the need for complex installation and delivers exceptional performance in combating hard water stains. Combining portability, powerful washing, drying, and sanitizing, the NOVETE Hard Water Dishwasher is a reliable choice for those looking to save time and effort in maintaining clean, hygienic tableware without needing a full-sized built-in dishwasher. Number 2. COMFEE 5-liter Hard Water Dishwasher. The COMFEE 5-liter hard water dishwasher is an ultra-compact appliance tailored for modern lifestyles, where space and convenience are top priorities. Despite its small footprint, it offers impressive functionality, making it a perfect fit for apartments, dorm rooms, campers, boats, or any small living space. The dishwasher is designed with dual water supply options. Users can either manually fill the 5-liter built-in water tank or connect it directly to a kitchen faucet using the included hose and adapter. The dishwasher comes with 6 wash programs: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and air refresh, ensuring versatile cleaning for all types of kitchenware. The steam and hygiene modes stand out as they heat water up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively removing stubborn food residues, sanitizing baby bottles, and ensuring dishes come out sparkling clean. The air refresh drying mode adds another layer of convenience by circulating air to eliminate moisture and odor, keeping both the dishes and the machine fresh between cycles. Additionally, this dishwasher is designed to handle the challenges of hard water, helping to prevent spots, stains, and buildup on dishware. Its compact yet capable performance makes it ideal for those who don't want to rely on hand washing or need a flexible dishwashing solution in tight spaces. Number 3. COMFEE 360-degree Hard Water Dishwasher. The COMFEE 360-degree Hard Water Dishwasher is a small yet powerful countertop dishwasher built for efficiency, hygiene, and ease of use. Perfect for compact kitchens, apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats, it offers a space-saving solution without compromising performance. One of its most impressive features is the 360-degree dual spray arm system, which ensures water reaches every corner of the load for a thorough, streak-free clean. Its hygiene cycle heats water up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for sanitizing heavily soiled cookware, children's utensils, or delicate glassware that needs extra care. For those concerned about drying and freshness, the air refresh mode is particularly helpful. It circulates air to reduce moisture and odor, ensuring dishes stay clean, dry, and odor-free even when left inside for extended periods. The compact design allows it to wash 30-plus items in one cycle, including plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter, making it practical for daily family use. This dishwasher offers a dual water supply system, either using the built-in 5-liter tank or connecting directly to the faucet, ensuring flexibility for users in different settings.
Easy to install and operate, it eliminates the need for permanent fixtures, making it an excellent option for renters or travelers. Number 4. Midea MDC1 Hard Water Dishwasher. The Midea MDC1 Hard Water Dishwasher is a versatile and portable solution for individuals or families who need an efficient dishwashing option in limited spaces. With its compact size, it fits neatly into kitchens with minimal counter space and is also suitable for apartments, dorms, boats, or RVs. One of its key strengths is the dual water supply system. It can either be manually filled with a 5-liter built-in water tank or connected directly to a faucet using the included hose and adapter, offering flexibility in usage. This no-installation design makes it incredibly convenient for renters or those who prefer not to alter their kitchen setup. The dishwasher includes 6 wash programs: normal, rapid, hygiene at 162 degrees F, fruit, glass, and air refresh, ensuring it can tackle everything from delicate glassware to heavily soiled pots and pans. The hygiene mode is particularly effective for sterilizing baby bottles, children's dishes, or greasy cookware, giving peace of mind to families. The air refresh feature provides continuous ventilation, preventing odors and moisture buildup while keeping both the dishes and the machine fresh for up to 20 hours. Despite its small footprint, it can wash 30-plus items, including plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter, which is impressive for its size.
Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Hard Water Dishwasher. The BLACK+DECKER Hard Water Dishwasher is a full-sized, built-in model designed for households seeking a powerful and spacious option to manage heavy dishwashing loads. With a generous 14-place setting capacity and tall tub design, it can accommodate large amounts of dishware, making it ideal for families or anyone who entertains frequently. The dishwasher's interior is designed with versatility in mind, featuring an adjustable top rack that allows for larger dishes and serveware to fit comfortably. The lower rack includes fold-down tines, which make it easier to load bulky items such as roasters, casserole dishes, and serving bowls. Offering 6 advanced wash programs, including pots and pans, normal, china/crystal, quick, rinse, and energy saver, it provides flexibility to handle everything from delicate glassware to heavily soiled cookware. The Smart Wash system uses soil sensors to automatically adjust water usage and cycle time, ensuring optimal cleaning performance while conserving resources. Energy Star certification further guarantees efficiency, helping to save on water and electricity bills without sacrificing results. To tackle the challenges of hard water, the BLACK+DECKER dishwasher uses a 4-layer filtration system, along with efficient spray arms to minimize mineral buildup and leave dishes spotless. Its durable design ensures long-term reliability, and the spacious interior means you can wash more items in fewer loads. This dishwasher is particularly well-suited for families or larger households that require robust cleaning power and efficiency. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.